mean. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Well done, students. Stand in front of me, little ones. Stand here and turn face me. Turn all the way around and face me. That was a fantastic first day in the academy. It showed me that you are now worthy to receive all the teachings of the Jedi. Little ones, good focus today. Very good bravery. This was not easy.
Yes, done very well you have indeed. Younglings, you are now Padawans, students devoted to the ancient training of a Jedi Knight. From this day forward, dedicate yourselves to the study of the Force and the ways of a Jedi.
Yes, remember, beware of the dark side. Anger, fear, and aggression are tools used by the dark side. Once you go down this path, forever will it dominate your destiny.
But remain strong, Padawans, and the Force will be with you always.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Now, students, turn and wave to your onlookers. How new